Hey guys, in this video you will learn how to install Biomechanical ToolKit or BTK package. So first, I've actually tried every documentation to install this. It basically you need to download the zip file and then you need to build it. It didn't work for me. I've read all documentations for this. I've installed CMake and Swig and downloaded the compiler that's suitable with C++ and stuff. It didn't work. So actually there is a hack or an easy way to do it. You will go to Anaconda organization website and you will type in the search bar BTK and you'll have these version, basically couple versions, not so much. You'll have these BTK 0.04. It's compatible for Python 3.10 and above, and this version 0.3 BTK 0.3 is compatible with Python 3.7 and 8. You will head to the version your Python version compatible with. So my version of Python is 3.10, and you'll need this instruction to type in your Anaconda prompt. If you don't have Anaconda prompt, you can install it from the same website, and you are good to go.